Today we are looking at, in terms of the second edition of the Energy Week, 6 countries which will have pavilions there. 6 countries. This is apart from the exhibitors, who are 900. 6 countries who have pavilions there. These are Canada, Germany, Netherlands, Russia, UK and USA. There is a Make in India pavilion with more than 300 exhibitors to showcase innovative solutions which are being brought forward by the Indian MSMEs. I just want to recall that the India Energy Week started only last year. We had the first meeting in Bengaluru. It was a roaring success. Little noisy along with the roar. This year, the number of exhibitors in the second edition has increased by 30% within 1 year. We have 900 exhibitors. The exhibition area itself has also gone up significantly. Last year we had 15,000 square meters. This year we have 18,500 square meters. Now this is a lot of area. I mean, this is 18,500 square meters. The total revenue from private firms has gone up by 44%. The duration of the number of strategic sessions in the second edition will increase from 3 days to 4 days. There are 44% more sessions planned in IEW. We are happy to know that in IEW 1, we received 1,000 submission papers. These are all technical, those involving cutting-edge developments, innovations. This year the number has gone to double of that, 2,000. 4 new technical categories have been added, including shipping, logistics, supply chains, manufacturing, industrialization, future mobility and mining and minerals in line with domestic priorities. 2 clear messages are: this is not just about the oil and natural gas industry as we have known. This is about that and much more. This is about the entire energy spectrum and canvas. We recently had an energy startup challenge organized by our ministry. From the approximately 120 applications received after a tiered selection process, 5 startups were selected. These demonstrated and showcased cutting-edge solutions to a global audience. In Goa, the event will also feature increased focus across the entire energy value chain, including 3 sessions on biofuels, 3 sessions on hydrogen, and 2 sessions on CCUS.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.